All right, everybody, just wanted to do a quick opening and revealing of the Stuhrling original. This is a swim watch. Really good quality, good history. It's Swiss. I'm not a huge watch guy, but I've heard about them, and they are well known for their swim watches. So really nice. So comes in a pretty awesome box. Open it up, got all kinds of things, starting with the warranty and instruction manual. That's how to register your warranty and authenticate everything. Got everything there. Got a cleaning rag, as well as just a beautiful box. Wrapped really nice. Got a couple of tabs to pull if we need to. I want to kind of show, there we go. So it's got protective covering on there like you'd expect. Cover or protector for the knob not to turn. So everything here is pretty great. They're known for a great timepiece, timekeeping, but the biggest thing for them with this watch is so it's professional diver, the depth master is what it is called. I don't know if I'll be able to get a good picture there where you can read it, but it actually goes down 10 ATM or 330 feet. So a lot deeper than most. Pretty awesome. The watch itself, beautiful, nice band. The clasp, everything stainless steel. Very good. Take it off the holder there. Everything brand new, shiny. Just a beautiful timepiece if you like timepieces. All right.